Welcome back to Blind to Brows. Do you hear that?
Wedding bells in our bride and groom era. Cheers.
We finally found the brows of our dreams.
Carolina and I, we're a perfect match, just like my eyebrows.
I woke up feeling so incredibly nervous. Like, what if my eyebrows turn out undefined at the altar? I was on the verge of having a meltdown until I received a gift from Bobby. He got me an entire box full of micro brow pencils, and they literally all fit me. He knows my brows so well.
Let's get to the altar where we'll meet the most official glamfician of all time.
Glamfician.
Yes. Carolina and Cole. Although you guys have only met 2 days ago, it is clear to everyone in this room and everyone watching at home that you guys are in love and that you're gonna last an eternity and all your children will have perfect eyebrows on fleek. Yes. Do you take these eyebrows to have to hold through thick?
Oh, sorry, did I cut you off?
Yeah, I was speaking. Straight, arched, or round?
Yes.
I do.
Kiss. Yay!